Hello everybody, it's AndreJMcClendon. Welcome to the show. This video is going to be about some important economic data and going over some things about our current economy. So stay tuned, plug in guys, because this is going to keep you guys, your wealth safe. It's going to protect you from this upcoming crash. So let's get into it. So first thing we're looking at is going to be precious metals. One thing I really want to look at that's really important to me, I think that will really help you guys out, is the Dow Silver ratio to see which one's more overvalued or undervalued. All right. So right now, remember these gray bars, they showed recessions, and look right here, we're missing a recession coming up. Maybe we're in it, maybe it's coming up, but we will see. But right now, it's sitting at about, about 1,500. So it's about 1,500 silver ounces to get one share of the Dow, if you want to put in perspective of like that. So is silver undervalued and Dow overvalued? Well, for me, I'm grabbing more silver, so I believe that when this goes down, silver's going to rise dramatically, and then I'll be able to move on to that. So we're going to look at the 100-year gold price. Now, this is gold measured in dollars, and gold measured in dollars right now has been doing insane growth. Like, it's absolutely hanging up and about to hit its highest it beat its previous highs. We'll see where it goes from there. I think it's going to easily break through 5,000. We shall see. And this is one of the reasons why I believe it's going to go past 5,000 is because look at the Fed's balance sheet. It's been exploding, and gold always does an accounting for all the phonyism, all the cronyism, and the system, all the fake money all the fake currency that they're printing. Our next one is the gold-silver ratio. Now, I got it zoomed in pretty much all the way in for the last 5 years, but right now it's sitting at 97.84. So it takes 80.84 to get silver ounces to get 1 ounce of gold. So I believe gold and silver are undervalued, but I think silver is much more undervalued than the market. Look at the whole years, all the years. So pretty crazy, right? Our next thing is going to be U.S. crude oil exports. So there's been a massive hit down. Crude has been bouncing from that -40 incident, but I will jump in this crude oil video just by itself, just oil, jump into the details. But just giving you guys a little overview of what's been happening in the markets. Now we're going to look at federal funds rate. All right. And so far, guys, if you guys have any questions on what I'm going over, things that I look at when I'm trading and investing, please drop a comment below. Also, subscribe to the channel, like the channel. So like the video so you can help out the YouTube algorithm and help out other people. Okay. So right now, federal funds rate is near zero. People are feeling the hurt, especially with their savings accounts. You know, all these rates being down to zero or near negative. Well, this is going to make things even worse for savers. And our purchasing power is going to just get wrecked. So I want to go over this, the 10-year, how the 10-year has been taking some massive punishments for like the last few months. Look at that. So it's just heading straight down. A little up, but straight down. But I'll go into the why the 10-year, why I like to look at it so much. But I'll go into a little bit more later on in a different video. So continued jobless claims, especially during this coronavirus / government-controlled shutdown. A huge amount of people for amount of claims, plus 22 million. So this is a new chart on macro trends that I really like. This is a U.S. job loss due to coronavirus versus previous recessions. Absolutely insane. Look at that, 2008, about 6%. And look at this right here. Whoa, huge down. And if you look at the 4-week moving average for initial job claims, it's just been exploding. I mean, he had a big up right here and down, but still really, really high. So guys, if you guys want to know more about me, I mean, I trade, invest. That's what my channel is about, and building wealth. So if you want to learn more how about trade, just go to my website, AndreJMcClendon.com, or just DM me on Instagram or Facebook, and we can get more to that. But let's continue with the video. So we're on my website. Click on gold and silver. You get all this special cool stuff right here. Some links that I've previously showed before and so on here. But we're going to be looking at some important things. This is the USDebtClock.org. Now look at the debt. The national debt is literally going up by 100,000 almost every 2 seconds. Debt per citizen, debt per taxpayer. It's absolutely insane. So So if you have time, look at our debt, go through some of their numbers. This website's extremely good. It really would help you out. Like, look at the precious metals over here. So production change since 2000 is 20%. Precious metal reserves. So it's a really good website, so please check it out. Also, this one right here, this is usdebtclock.org to show you how fast the national debt has been going up and how much our external debt to GDP ratio. Well, that's it, video, guys. I just want to guys go over some important topics with you. Guys, any questions? Please listen below, drop them below, because I know the media doesn't go over these numbers. They represent them differently. They say it's about race, or there's so much out there that is distracting people. Just, I wanted to shed some light on what's happening today. So thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one.